Updating your payment information on Lyft is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Payment Settings. In your account settings, look for the Payment or Payment Methods option. Tap on it to view your current payment information. Step 4. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the extra.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to save the changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your payment details have been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Lyft.